Title: Chronicles of Echoterra. Genre: Fantasy Adventure. Logline: in a world where sound is the source of magic, a mute teenager discovers a hidden realm, where forgotten echoes hold the key to restoring harmony to both worlds. Synopsis: in the bustling city of Harmonia, everyone possesses the ability to manipulate sound for various magical purposes. However, Talia, a mute teenager, lives on the fringes of society, considered an outcast due to her inability to use magic through traditional means. One day, while exploring an abandoned library, Talia stumbles upon an ancient tome that reveals the existence of Echoterra, a hidden realm where forgotten echoes of the past are preserved. Legend has it that these echoes contain the purest form of magic, capable of healing the world of Harmonia. Determined to prove her worth and discover her own unique connection to magic, Talia embarks on a perilous journey to find the entrance to Echoterra. Along the way, she encounters a diverse group of companions, each with their own extraordinary abilities tied to sound. As they navigate through treacherous landscapes and face mythical creatures guarding the entrance to Echoterra, the group unravels a dark secret threatening both worlds. A power-hungry sorcerer, banished long ago, seeks to harness the forgotten echoes to unleash chaos and dominate Harmonia. Talia must use her ingenuity and her innate ability to sense the subtle vibrations of sound to navigate Echoterra's challenges. Along the way, the group discovers that only by harmonizing their unique abilities can they unlock the true potential of the forgotten echoes. In a climactic showdown, Talia confronts the sorcerer, realizing that her muteness is not a limitation, but a unique gift. Harnessing the pure magic of Echoterra, she transforms the very essence of sound into a force that defeats the sorcerer and restores balance to both realms. As a result of their journey, Harmonia undergoes a transformation, embracing the diversity of magical abilities beyond traditional sound manipulation. Talia becomes a symbol of unity, proving that even the silenced can create the most powerful echoes of change. Chronicles of Echoterra is a visually stunning and emotionally resonant fantasy adventure that explores the power of uniqueness, the harmony within diversity, and the strength found in the most unexpected places.